was a nice race. Tanner Suwiki won in the A Bobtail finals. Wow, what a race! God, I love truck racing. That was nice, wasn't it? That was nice. Woo. Bobtail, AIS Royal Trucking. Mr. Chris McKay going on also, here we go. That's okay, so that race, we have to redo the race between number 113, Mr. Hunter Suwiki, and number 192, driven by Mr. Robert Bell. Mr. Suwiki had a hit in the back of his truck after the truck has to back up. I'm not going to go beat stuff. I feel like eating it. Backing up, getting ready. Red light for Mr. Suwiki. There we go. Here we go. Hunter Suwiki going up against 192, Mr. Robert Bell. Yeah, well, yes. I agree. Hunter Suwiki and the AIS Royal Trucking going up against 192 Robert Bell. We're almost ready to go. Warming up. Oh boy. Okay, here we go. Getting ready. Warming up. Warming up. Robert Bell, red light, one of each. Oh boy. I will tell you a story in a couple of minutes. That's pretty interesting. That's pretty interesting. So, Bobtail, Hunter Suwiki with the 113 in the AIS Royal Trucking going up against Robert Bell. 192, beautiful Western Star. Actually, it's two Western Star getting ready to race. That is okay. So here we go. Staging, one red light per truck. So, hey, listen guys, if there's another red light, we're done. Getting ready. Leading up.